respected Nandini ma'am, Joint Secretary, Dr. Vikhe Patil Foundation, and Director Schools Program, Principal Mrinalini ma'am, staff and students, good morning. We have assembled here this morning to celebrate the august occasion of Republic Day. I, Sanjana Saxena,
and I, Aditya Bhalerao,
the sports captains of VK Patil Memorial School, Pune, will be the hosts of today's program. We will commence this morning's function with a prayer. Make me a channel of your peace, sung by the students of classes 5th to 8th.
School, stand at ease. School, attention. School, get ready for the prayer.
Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26th since 1950 to honor a date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. While India became independent on August 15, 1947, it still didn't have a permanent constitution, and Indian laws were based on a modified version of the British established Government of India Act 1935. However, 2 weeks later, on 29 August 1947, a drafting committee was appointed for the drafting of a permanent Indian constitution, with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. After a lot of hard work, the constitution was finally drafted, and January 26th was chosen as the day to declare India as a sovereign republic. The significance of January 26th is that on that day in 1929, the Indian National Congress made the well-known Declaration of Indian Independence, Purna Swaraj, as opposed to British rule.
Republic Day is celebrated across India with a lot of pomp and fervor. In Delhi, at Rajpath, there are magnificent parades by the regiments of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, and paramilitary forces, and there is also a display of India's defense prowess with the latest missiles, aircraft, and weapon systems. Beautiful tableaus representing the beauty of all the states of India are also showcased during the parade. There are spectacular sky shows by the Air Force too. This year, the Republic Day Parade will be for a shorter duration with smaller marching contingents and fewer cultural performances, as well as strict social distancing protocols in place, for a reduced number of spectators on Rajpath due to the restrictions necessitated by the COVID-19 pandemic. Every year our school too showcases the rich cultural heritage and diversity of our beloved country through beautifully decorated floats which wind their way through the streets of Pune to the accompaniment of captivating music. Although the COVID-19 pandemic has thwarted this regular feature in our school calendar, our spirit of patriotism remains undaunted and elevated in the most trying circumstances.
May I request Nandini ma'am to unfold the national flag.
School attention. स्कूल तिरंगे को सलामी देंगे, सलामी दो। स्कूल राष्ट्रीय गान शुरू कर। स्कूल शपथ के लिए तैयार होंगे, तैयार हो।
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
स्कूल स्टैंडर्डीज। स्कूल बैठेंगे, बैठ जाओ।
विकसित होता राष्ट्र हमारा, रंग लाती हर कुर्बानी है। फख्र से अपना परिचय देते हम सारे हिंदुस्तानी हैं। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है। सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। अलग है भाषा, धर्म, जात और प्रांत, भेष, परिवेश, पर हम सबका एक ही गौरव है, राष्ट्र ध्वज तिरंगा श्रेष्ठ। सुप्रभात। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदया एवं उपस्थित सभी महानुभावगण, सभी को 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम सभी देश के प्रति भक्ति भावना से अभिप्रेरित होकर भारत के प्रमुख राष्ट्रीय पर्व गणतंत्र दिवस का उत्सव मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। ऐसे उत्सव सचमुच में हमें याद दिलाते हैं कि हम सब विश्व के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र में एक हैं और स्वतंत्र रूप में हैं। यह श्रेय भारत के अपने संविधान को जाता है, जो बाबा साहेब डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर के अथक परिश्रम और विवेक से तैयार हुआ था। आज इस कार्यक्रम के जरिए इस दिन की गौरवमयी गाथा का गुणगान करने का अवसर मिलना वास्तव में मेरे लिए अत्यंत ही गौरव एवं सम्मान का विषय है। देशभक्तों के त्याग, तपस्या और बलिदान की अमर कहानी 26 जनवरी का पर्व समेटे हुए है। उत्सर्ग और शौर्य का इतिहास भारत की भूमि पर पग पग में अंकित है। किसी ने सच ही कहा है, कण कण में सोया शहीद, पत्थर पत्थर इतिहास है। भारतीय होने के नाते हम पूरी तरह जिम्मेदार हैं कि हम अपने देश के नियम व संविधान का पालन करके देश की नियमता को बनाए रखें। हजारों स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों की कुर्बानी के बाद ये देश आज़ाद हुआ था। बहुत वर्षों के संघर्ष के बाद आज़ादी मिली थी। उस स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के बहुमूल्य बलिदान को हमें व्यर्थ नहीं जाने देना है। हमें समाज से भेदभाव जैसी गंदी चीज को बाहर निकालकर देश को बेहतर बनाना है। देश की संस्कृति की रक्षा कर भारत को हमें फिर से हिंदुस्तान बनाना है। गणतंत्र की स्वतंत्रता के लिए यह अति आवश्यक है कि हम अपनी सभ्यता, संस्कृति, मौलिक चिंतन और वैचारिक स्वतंत्रता को बनाए रखें। लेकिन आज ऐसा लगता है कि मिली राजनीतिक स्वतंत्रता पर विचार परतंत्र है। पाश्चात्य चिंतन चरित्र से कहा हुए स्वतंत्र है। अभी स्वदेशी तंत्र उपेक्षित, मिला कहा सम्मान है और किसी कोने में बैठा रो रहा संविधान है। इस रोते हुए संविधान को प्रबल, सशक्त, सफल और प्रभावशाली बनाने का अधिकार अगर किसी को है तो वह सिर्फ और सिर्फ हम देशवासियों को। आप सभी से यही अनुरोध करूंगी कि अपने देश पर अपना सर्वस्व न्यौछावर करने और इसे चरमोत्कर्ष में पहुंचाने का दृढ़ संकल्प लें और मन में बस यही भाव रखें कि इस देश की कीमत जब जब हमने पहचानी है, हमारे देश का बच्चा बच्ची बना देश सेनानी है। जाति पाति भाषा और देश का बीच पनपने ना देंगे। अब इन आधारों पर हिंदुस्तान को बंटने ना देंगे। एकता के सतरंगों से सजाएंगे संसार को। गणतंत्र उपासक बनकर सच्चे उपहार देंगे राष्ट्र को। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Shiveti, for that inspiring speech. Students of classes 5th to 8th will now present a song entitled Yesterday's Dream, which emphasizes the importance of unity and diversity and the contribution of the youth in nation building.
We are the children of yesterday's dream. We are the promise of the future we bring. Waving the banner of love to all, to every nation, the rich and the poor. We are the world of the restless and young, and we need a hand to guide us. Each other, each other, as long as we're together, you and me. For together we stand, divided we fall. Together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want for the world to see. That we are the children of yesterday's dream. We have the yearning to do what is best, be someone special from all the rest. Nation and brothers in unity, building tomorrow
Thank you for that mellifluous rendition of the song Yesterday's Dream.
Snehan Chauhan, Head of Student Council and student of Standard 12, will now recite a self-composed poem in English titled Republic State of Mind.
Every year, the flag unfolds. The world awakens like a pole to celebrate the momentous occasion of the construction of India's foundation. Justice, liberty, equality, unity, and integrity, the words that describe the community, or so thought the visionaries of the past. Today, India is so much more than us. We are all aware about the power of Indians, how diverse, unique, exceptionally bizarre we are. We have powers that none in the world have. What, you ask? Let me tell you then. Our unity shows how remarkable we are, no matter what state, caste, or religion we come from. Pani Puri at each corner sure brings us all together. Glued to the TV was a landing on the moon, or thank the workers by banging a plate and a spoon. Asking the teachers for an extended duration for the purpose of project submission. I don't think there's need for any further explanation. Equality sure is rising rapidly, much better than the antediluvian times. The revolution definitely has been rigorous, and the changes infinitely numerous. No difference between a he and a she, as military planes and choppers are used courageously. Poor or rich doesn't matter nowadays, as justice done will be the same. All Indians know at birth the universal law of punctuality. 5 is always equal to 30 minutes, our distinguished identity. Our intelligence is beyond comparison. Infosys, Tata, Amul, and ISRO are the best illustration. Our Jugaad are the best in the universe, better than injecting disinfectant in the nose. Building rockets with cost lower than any other mission, and substituting paneer for every chicken variation. Building companies for every action indeed, and becoming the most sought after people in the industry. The fraternity in India is prominent indeed, as people from all over envision the same thing. Love for the country is common. Respect for all is the constitutional goal. Even in class, when the group forgets the assignment, or pleads for 5 more minutes during the games period. The Constitution is what makes India so unique. One of the longest and looked upon, so to speak. 71 years since it all began. A lot has changed since that huge advance. The nation has become more secular, more united and more spectacular. A place where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Protected by soldiers on the border who never stray. We Indians are proud to celebrate Republic Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Snehan, for the wonderful poem.
May I now request Nandini ma'am to address the congregation.
Good morning to everybody present here. As I came walking up the playground this morning and was seated at the top of the steps, it was very interesting and a pleasant surprise to see more teachers and staff members attending the program than students. I think this is the first time this has ever happened. And more so, standing very diligently in your spaces, in rows, to attention and standing at ease. I think it took you back to your school days. And the children who will be watching later on will be watching it from the comfort of their homes. So this is how life has changed for us. This is the first function or program that we are celebrating in person. And that itself speaks of new beginnings. That seems to be the theme of today's program. I don't think I need to speak much about Republic Day because so much has been said so aptly by the 3 students. Shivani, an excellent speech, bringing out the the way Republic Day came to be and our freedom from the rulers, so-called rulers, the British rulers. The group song, Yesterday's Dreams, Children of Yesterday's Dreams, to all the children who are here and who will be watching this, a thought that came to my mind, that yes, you are children of yesterday's dreams, but you are also our hope for tomorrow, to take our country far ahead than what our generations have been able to do. Yes, you are faced with far more challenges, I think, than we did in our time. You are exposed to far more information, half-baked knowledge, misinformation, fake news is all over the place nowadays, and you need to apply your minds even more than I think we needed to do in our times. And I think the freedom that your generation needs most is the freedom from the pressure of the ruler called social media. Because that is what seems to be influencing most of the youngsters and the youth in today's time and age. And it is a very important tool for your development, but it is also a very dangerous weapon when you use it. You do not use it judiciously. So today, my appeal to all the student community is to use the freedom given to you by society, by your parents, by the institutions that you study in, to use it judiciously, cautiously. Take help. Yes, in the song they mentioned we need a helping hand. Everybody needs a helping hand, whether you're a student or whether you're an adult. And one should never, abstain from taking help when help is needed. And being in the world that you are in, you need all the help that you can gather, especially from our generation, not because we know far more than you, but we have experienced life more than you. So take this day as a day and this year as a year of new beginnings, where we let go of the past, where we look forward, and as school reopens, we see our corridors filled with the hustle and bustle of children coming in and out, the joy of being in school, and I'm sure all of you are looking at the joy of being on the playground. So here's my good wishes for all of you as we begin once again a new year, a new era in our life. We let the past go behind. We forget the 11 months that we were in the confines of our home, and we fly out into the open and achieve our dreams. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging words.
It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this notable occasion. I would like to thank the management, principal, staff, and students of Vikhe Patil Memorial School, Pune, and everyone who has been instrumental in contributing their unstinting efforts in making this program a great success.
To end the program, we will now have a rousing rendition of the national song Vande Mataram. The lyrics and music are so uplifting and moving that, to quote the great poet William Wordsworth, the music in our hearts we will bear long after it is heard no more.
स्कूल बेटे बेटे सावधान, खड़े होंगे खड़े हो. School stand at ease. School attention. School राष्ट्रीय गीत शुरू कर.
Sujalam Sufalam
School standard is